This is a caddis pupa. It's using its legs like little oars to propel it from the bottom of the riverbed, where it was in a case as a larva, up to the water's surface where it will come out as a winged adult, as the caddisfly. Now, not all caddis species will emerge and shed their shucks on the surface of the water. Some swim to and crawl onto land to hatch. If you look right behind the head, there are two dark areas on either side of the body. Those are the wing pads or wing cases. When the pupa hatches, it splits its shuck or pupal skin right between the wing pads, pushes the body up and out, and as it does, the wings unfold. Once the wings are free from the wing pads, it holds them up vertically, like a mayfly, to let them dry. And once they're dry, they fly off and complete their life cycle. Our friend Rick Hafley, a retired entomologist, wrote in his book Nymph Fishing Rivers and Streams that there are more caddisfly species than mayfly and stonefly species combined, and they live in a variety of types of freshwater, so different caddis species are comfortable throughout a wide range of water temperature and oxygen content. That means we'll find them in almost any freshwater we fish. Since caddisflies are such a prevalent food source for trout, it is important for us fly fishers to understand the stages that trout eat so that we can imitate them. We don't always see the caddisfly with its wings up like this, as I mentioned, because this is the drying phase. What we do typically see are the wings folded back over the abdomen so they sort of tent the abdomen, and that's usually what we see when we find this insect streamside.